Thank you for buying this 16153 long concrete drill bit from Fixture Displays. This drill bit length is 13.5 inches and the diameter of the tip is 0.47 inches. That is the critical dimension for your application. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good solid feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.